Alright, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. We are out here in Airdrie to start the video off. Over at Destination Cycle, bought myself a new mod for the motorcycle. Should be a good day today, good video, hopefully. As you can probably tell by the title, we are doing paintball today, so that should be a lot of fun. I've personally never done paintball, so it should be fun. It's a good day. It is my birthday today, so that's kind of why I treated myself to a new motorcycle mod. That'll be coming out here as soon as it arrives. I'll make a video of installing it. So we're going out paintballing today. We're going to meet up with a couple of friends, and then we're all going to roll down there. We're not going to be on the bike, unfortunately. We're going to be in my truck, go down and do some paintballing. I'm going to try to take some video footage while we're there as well. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I've never done paintballing before, but I do have my headband mount, or whatever those things are called that go on your head. So if I can put that over the mask while I'm paintballing, that should be fun. So that's going to be today's video. Hopefully it all works out. And hopefully I'm able to record, but I'm excited about the new mod that I got though, finally. A little birthday present for myself. This is the second video I've recorded this year. I did another one a couple months back. I don't know if that ain't gonna work if I upload that video. Also, I've got a check engine light on my bike. I've only got 12,000 K on it now. I parked it for about a week. We had a little bit of a snowstorm one week, and of course it warmed up, so I wanted to ride the bike again. Went to grab the bike, started up, it was fine. After about, I don't know, 2 minutes or so of idling, my check engine light came on. It's like, what the hell? So I ended up taking it into the dealership that I bought it from about, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago now. Took it in, I got them to do a whole inspection of it, because why not? They did the recall for the cold start problems that these bikes have been having. So they fixed that, and then I got them to check what the light was all about. And they said it was an O2 sensor. Really? At 12,000 K, it's an O2 sensor already? I don't know. But they didn't give me anything stating that it was an O2 sensor, so I'm kind of questioning it, because I'd like to get rid of that check engine light. So I may stop in there again here, probably within the next couple of days or so, see if I can maybe get a printout or something. Actually, you know what? I might even go do that now. I might even head down there and see if I can get a printout or something stating that it was the O2 sensor, because I have a feeling it's not, but if it is, oh fuck, go. Bad driver. I could have stopped. What the hell is this? We'll see if I can figure out what the hell that light is, because it is annoying. It's been on for quite some time now. Airdrie sure has grown. I remember when all this crap was fields. I was definitely speeding there. I thought that was me. Just should have brick a little bit.
Please give up. So I give. Doesn't mean light them up like a Christmas tree.
Getting all dressed up.
I guess so.
Ready to paintball now.
Whoop! I'm gonna die!
Oh, what is holy shit! What's up, guys? So that video was kind of a botch. I couldn't record any of it as much as I'd like to. There was two instances of why I could not record. The first one was my dumbass forgot to take the little screw that goes right through there for the headband. I forgot that, but that wasn't the case. The helmets that they have there, the way that they're designed, I couldn't really wear the helmet strap, if you will, because there was a big like visor coming off of their helmets, so having this mounted wouldn't really work. So either way, even if I did have the screw, I couldn't record anyway because there was no way for me to mount it. I didn't have any other 3M mounts with me or anything for me to mount it, so that was just a botch. All in all, the weather was good. I got beamed in the face a few times with some paintballs. It was fun. Besides the rain that we had in the beginning, it cleared up, it was hot, it was great. And then right as we were leaving, it just downpoured, which you saw in that last clip. So it was a great time, a lot of fun. So stay tuned to the next video. We got the motorcycle mod in. We're going to put that together in the next video. So that's that video. Hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. The next video, we're going to be installing my new mod that I got for the motorcycle. So we'll see you in the next video, guys.
Voices in my head.